Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a testing benefit makeup, and I'm actually really excited for this because it's like my first high-end purchases. So I got 3 minis because it was 3 for £25, but I was going to get 2 anyway, so now I just got the third one free. I'm just going to get straight on with the video. So the products that I got with my own money, so I got the mini benefit, or these are all benefits, so I'm just not going to say benefit, but mini Hoola bronzer, which I'm very excited for. And the next thing that I got was the Dandelion blush, which is that. The packaging of these is so pretty. Also, I featured them in my what I got for my birthday video, so by the time you've seen this, it is probably up, so go and watch that. I'm going to click it in the eye if I know how to do that, but I literally don't know how to do that. And also I got the Hype Beam highlight thing, and I'm actually excited for them all, so I'm just not actually going to say that I'm excited, even though I am very excited. So I've already put on mascara and lipstick, but I haven't put on like concealer, but I'm literally just going to put it on straight onto my skin. But I'm going to obviously experiment like trying it on like over foundation and concealer and stuff like that. So I'm just going to zoom you right into my face. Firstly, I think I'm going to try out the mini Hoola. Also, they've all got like seals on them. That was so easy to undo. So I literally just zoomed you out again because I feel like I can't be asked. But that is the Hoola. It's been sealed and I've literally just opened it. Okay, so as I'm opening it, it comes with the little brush thing, which is quite cute, but I literally won't use this. Oh, it feels like kind of bristly. And then it has a little sealy thing on it. Just smells like makeup. And that is the shade. To be fair, I feel like that's quite a good shade for me because it's not that dark, then it's not that light either. So I'm just gonna like dabble it on my brush, maybe a bit much on. There wasn't that much fallout. Also, it comes with a little mirror, which I think is actually adorable. So I'm just going to try and use this mirror. You know, that mirror is not really going to help me. That is actually so pretty. Oh my god, yeah, because that's like quite natural. Also, the reason I got minis was because I probably won't actually use the whole big one, so I might as well just get minis. I mean, that's not even at all. So comment down below if you go like, do like the fish face when you put on concealer, no not concealer, contour and like bronzer and that, because I don't, and because I just feel like it's weird. But yeah, so I can just know that that's the line from my ear to my mouth. Oh my god, I literally love that. I see why literally everyone goes on about it that much now. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Dandelion thing. It also has a little sealy thing on the back, which is kind of bad. Oh my god, no, it comes off so easily. Whoa. That makes me so happy. Like, that just came off so easily. It's probably because I didn't want to like rip the packaging. I just opened it. That's the packaging I literally showed you. But when I open this, oh, this also comes with a brush. I won't be using the brush though. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Just quickly, there's the brush. It's kind of a rough brush. Like, I'm kind of fat, but I'll keep it anyway. I can feel like this is gonna be like my favourite so easily. Also, this has got a little mirror thing as well. But, oh my god. So I'm just gonna like put this slightly above the contour, or like on the something of my cheeks. I don't actually know what it's called. Oh my god, it's like so subtle. I actually love that. Let's just see what it smells like. I don't know. But that smells, I don't know what it smells of, but I'm actually like addicted to that smell now. Honestly, that is like one of my favourite things now. Yep. You probably can't see it on camera that much, but oh, it's just so pretty and it just makes me so happy. I'm just gonna rub it everywhere just to not waste the products on the brush. Okay, if I smash these, I'm literally gonna be so sad and I will literally cry. So next I'm gonna do the high beam one. It's like that. This has like a seal kind of thing on it. Oh, I just ripped off like half the ingredients. I'm so Superdrug, but you did not do that much of a good job doing the like scanny thing, barcode. Okay, so I'm just gonna like open the lid, and it is very small, but I'm not really that sad because I knew that it was going to be that small because one of my friends had it. It's actually adorable. That is it. It probably doesn't say a shade because I thought there's only one. Satiny pink complexion highlighter. But I'm going to put this on my cheeks, on my nose, on my lip and on my chin. Okay, I'm not going to use that much. Okay, so on it, it is a... Oh, a little brush, that's so cute. Oh my god, it's literally so small. Gonna double it. Okay, I've just like applied a little like line kind of, a thin layer of highlight. And I'm just gonna really quickly blend it in with my finger before it dries. Oh my god. Okay, you probably can't see that. Oh no, you can. Whoa. Okay, that's lovely. Now I'm just going to put a tiny, like, little tiny dot on my nose and places. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is so pretty. This is the final like thing. I need to find this highlight on my nose, so cute. But so this is like the final thing, so it's there. Okay, that is just amazing. This video has been quite long. It's not just testing out 3 products, but I will see you in a bit. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, give it a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button down below. Click on my post notifications because you can. And I will see you when I next post. Bye!